Here you go, everybody. Some blue and black. This is a light blue transparent with a mesh film that goes through it. So the stripes are made by actually a film that is black on one side and white on the other side of the film with holes in it. So I could just call this mesh. And you'll see like the little round circles. It's same thing as like in the pink that I have. You can see like this is one of the pink ones here. See like the pink mesh, it's got the holes in it. It makes for a very, very unusual look when it comes to this. So it looks like a dark blue in some angles and light blue in others, and it just gives you a better idea if you get to see it this way than just in a photograph. So, and this thing is measuring in about 3/4 by, I'd say, a little under about 5/8 wide, and a 1/4 inch through hole, so it will fit 2 pieces of paracord. So these can be used for paracord zipper pulls, lanyards, paracord bracelets, jewelry, or whatever crazy idea you come up with. If you like this, go over to fiddlebone.com and get it while you can, because once it's gone, it's gone. These are all one of a kind, very unusual. They each all have their own character. So like, share, subscribe, and then also don't forget to go follow us over on Instagram, and you get updates as I'm making things and stuff like that. All right? So thanks for watching, and have a great day.